Drink this helps you lose belly fat and your metabolism will be faster than ever. This is a super effective recipe that will help you lose belly fat fast. The reason why I say that is because both ingredients of this recipe have thermogenic properties. Consuming it will raise your body temperature as well as your blood circulation. Raising your body temperature means that you increase your metabolism and burn more fat. The thermogenic properties will force your body to burn more fat to balance your normal body temperature. Consuming this drink also helps your body remove toxins, which is one of the reasons why you have belly fat. Another reason why this drink is so great to lose belly fat is that it is an appetite suppressant. That means it will suppress your appetite and eliminate those cravings to eat between meals. It helps you eat less and reduce calorie intake. Thus, you will lose weight and lose belly fat naturally. Here's how to prepare this great drink. Firstly, prepare fresh ginger and grate it with a grater. Ginger has a thermogenic effect that helps activate your metabolism, which makes your body burn excess fat. It helps remove belly fat by targeting the main reason that belly fat accumulates, such as overeating, hormonal changes. It also suppresses cortisol production. Elevated levels of cortisol will make you gain weight and hard to lose belly fat. Green ginger until you have 2 teaspoons of grated ginger in a bowl. Next, prepare the second ingredient of this recipe, cinnamon. Like ginger, cinnamon also has thermogenic properties thanks to cinnamaldehyde, an essential oil found in cinnamon that gives this spice its flavor. Cinnamaldehyde acts directly on fat cells, prompting them to start burning energy. Cinnamon also suppresses your appetite. Now, prepare a saucepan and add 1 cinnamon stick, about 2 grams, into it. You can break the cinnamon stick into several pieces if you want a stronger tea. Then, pour grated ginger into a saucepan. Next, add 750 ml of water. Put this saucepan into a stove and cook until boiling. When the water is boiling, set the stove's heat to medium-low and allow it to boil for about 50 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and remove the saucepan from the stove. Then, let the tea steep for about 50 minutes to reduce the heat. When the tea is warm enough to drink without burns, strain it into a cup with a strainer and your weight loss tea is ready. This tea can be kept 3 days in the fridge. Here's how to use it to lose belly fat quickly. Drink 1 cup of the first tea in the morning and another before you go to bed. You also can make more tea and drink it as often as you like during the day to lose even more weight. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.